Hi, my name is Peter Jones. I'm the chairman of the NBASE-T Alliance and I'm here representing the Alliance. I'm also a principal engineer at Cisco Systems where I design campus switching. So what's the NBASE-T Alliance and why are we here? So we're trying to solve a real problem that is starting to affect most enterprises. We're starting to get to the stage where 1 gig is not enough for the edge of the network anymore. So how are we going to solve this problem? What we have to do is we have to think about how to deploy new speeds on the existing cable plan. Most people have cables in the wall today and you can't pull it. So our alliance, which is about 45 companies, we set up to basically build a new standard and help deploy it to the market. We've been extremely successful. The standard is done. It's added to 3BZ. We've also added a feature called downshift, which lets you adapt to changing noise levels. So the reason why we're at Interop ITX is that we're showing stuff working live. So what's important is that we show people actual material running live and can explain the use cases to them. So we have everything from normal enterprise IT systems, we have industrial, we have home, and we have SP. So this technology is available now, is shipping now, and can really help you solve your future networking problems. So, and what you're wondering is like, how does this all work? As I said to you before, the install base cabling in the enterprise is around 1.3 billion outlets of Cat5e and Cat6. There's no way to replace all that. So what we did is we took the technology from 10G-based-T, which required Cat6a, and we slowed it down to run on 5e and 6 because that's what the world has. What we're now starting to see is we've moved out beyond the core enterprise portfolio to really new types of devices coming. So one of my favorite ones I have here is a nice little camera. So this is a line scan camera. It basically scans stuff as it falls off a conveyor belt into a bin and checks if it's okay. What we have at the back of this is actually generating traffic at about 4 gig. If we had not invented this technology, they'd either be stuck at a gig with a less accurate scan, or they'd have to go up to 10G-based-T, which would require new cabling, and it would be too hot. So also, we're starting to get NICs come out. So again, we're starting to see both the infrastructure, the switches, the APs are available. They're available both for the home, like the core products that we have from member companies Cisco or Aruba. You're starting to see them in cloud managed from the Meraki team of Cisco. You're also starting to see them show up in the home from people like Netgear. Now my friends at Intel also have NICs on the market. So you can now get NICs both from high-end vendors like Intel and also from a whole lot of other people. We are starting to see the ecosystem fill out. So if you have a problem that requires a lot of data, you might be doing content editing, you might be doing media, you might be doing CAD/CAM, you can now solve this problem by adding the interfaces to your machine. Maybe if you're a Mac guy, you can go out and buy an adapter from Promise, which will give you Thunderbolt 3 to 10G-based-T. So now if you have a bottleneck, you really have to move data, we have a way to solve that problem that's adoptable in real time now.